Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 81 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to share my day 81 portfolio with you. I'm also going to be looking at the NASDAQ and the Tesla charts to see where the price movement may be going. And I'm also going to have a look at the RSI, MACD and candlestick patterns to see where the price may be headed to. So let's get into it. So it's day 81, 14th of March, 2022. I've actually added another 1.9612 shares in portfolio A. So that brings the portfolio up to just over 123 shares. And in portfolio B, I've just got under 91 shares. So that's day 81, 14th of March, 2022. So the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla is just over 214 shares. So it's gone up by roughly 2 shares. So my ultimate goal is to reach 300 shares in Tesla. I'm 71.5% there, and I've got a lot to go, but I'm slowly building this position, and hopefully I'm going to get to 300 now that the price is going even lower. So that's the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla. So what's been happening in Tesla? So it's day 81 of 1000, and Tesla is currently priced at $767.45. So there's a lot of weakness in the stock market. There's a lot of weakness in Tesla stock. So if I multiply the current price by the number of shares that I have, which is just over 214 shares, I have a portfolio value of $164,297.53. So that's a daily price movement downwards of just over $6,000. So remember, at its peak, my portfolio was valued around $250,000. It's gone all the way down to $164,000. So am I worried? No, I'm not worried, because I believe in this company. I believe in this company's future. I know the stock market is overreacting. I know, Tesla investors are overreacting and selling shares, but I know that this company will produce in the future. They're the leaders in electric vehicles, they're the leaders in autonomy, they're the leaders in full self-driving, and they're going to be the leaders in robotics and artificial intelligence. There is so much growth ahead for this company, and buying it at these prices is such a great way to increase the number of shares that you have. So for long-term investors like myself, this is kind of like a dream come true, because I thought it would never reach these prices again. If it goes down to even 500, I'll still be buying, because I know that this is the future of EV, and eventually the stock market will realize how great price Tesla is at the moment. So that's day 81 of 1000. So let's get into the technical analysis now. So this is the NASDAQ 1-year chart. So as you can see, I've marked it with horizontal lines for support and resistance. So if I zoom into it, you can clearly see that the MA200 has crossed under the MA50 level. So it's in bearish territory at the moment. And also, if you can see, it's gone down to the next support level, which is around 12,600, and it's stuck there. So what could happen now is it could form a support there, or it could go down all the way to 12,000. So again, this is going to be down to what happens in the FOMC meeting. The expected rate hike is 0.25%. If they hike it by 0.5%, then it's probably going to tumble down to 12,000. So again, just keep on watching this. If it tumbles down to 12,000, it's going to be really good, because obviously you can buy great companies like Tesla, Apple, Google, these type of great companies at really low prices. So, keep an eye on the NASDAQ 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1-year chart now. So as you can see, I've marked it again with horizontal lines for the support and resistance. I've got the trend line upwards in blue and the trend lines downward in red. So if we zoom into it, you can clearly see that it's broken the MA200 level. That's completely broken. So it's a good time to buy now. It's then settled at the support at 775. But as you can see, it's gone down now, and it could go all the way down to 700 again. So if it goes down to 700, that's going to be a really, really good buy. So I'm just hoping that it goes down to 700 and I have enough cash so I can add 1 or 2 more shares, because it's going to be at a very, very cheap price. And then afterwards, if it does go down even further, it might go down to 625 and then 550. So again, know all your price levels so you can buy at strategic levels. So when the price does go up, you will have a really low cost basis, and then when the price does go up, you're going to make more money. So that's the Tesla 1 year chart. So let's have a look at the RSI for Tesla. So as you can see, RSI is around 37.66. So again, this is buy territory for me. So anything under 40 is like, I'm trying to buy twice as much as I would usually. Anything under 30, and I would buy 3 times as much. You know, these are great prices. They won't stay here for long. The only reason the price is depressed is because there's weakness in the market. You know, there's conflict between Russia and the Ukraine. But hopefully these things will blow over, and then eventually people and investors will realize what a great company Tesla is. That's why this is a great time to buy. Even though there's so much fear in the market, there's so much anxiety, this is the right time to buy. You have to override your fears, process your fears, and understand that this is a great company. This is the future of EV, the future of many things. And you know, there's so much growth ahead of it, and it's a great buy at these prices. So that's the RSI analysis for Tesla. Let's have a look at the MACD analysis. So as you can see, the black line has crossed under the red line. So again, there is weakness in the market. So I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla goes down to 700. Again, it's whipsawing. It crosses over, then it crosses under. So there is no definitive like direction. But at the moment, it's downwards. So that's the MACD analysis for Tesla. Let's have a look at the candlestick analysis now. So as you can see today, the candlestick has broken through the 775 support level. So if it closes below this level, it's almost certain that it's going to go down to 700. So again, if you have cash available, this is a great opportunity to buy. So if I have cash available and the price hits 700, I will try to buy as much as possible. So again, just to reiterate, this is a great position technically to buy. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla has broken the 750 support level. There is a possibility that Tesla could go down all the way to 700 now. MACD bearish crossover has occurred, so the price pressure is downwards. RSI has reached 37.66 and Tesla is becoming very oversold again. So again, this is a great place to start a position or to add more. So those are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? So again, my buying levels were 850, that's broken. Then it was 824, that's broken. Then it was 750, that's broken. So it's going to go down to 700 if it doesn't, you know, hold that support. So again, this is going to be a great buying level for me. So that's 700. So those are my buying levels. So what is my plan now? So I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares no matter what and buy at regular intervals. I'm going to keep buying at support levels, and I'm going to try to buy as much as possible under $1,000 and under MA200, because you know it's a bargain under 1,000, it's a bargain or under MA200, and at 700 it's a really good bargain. So long term investors are probably rubbing their hands together and getting ready to deploy money at these levels. So finally, I'm not going to sell my position. This is again a forever stock for me. I always get these questions. Am I selling my position? No, I am not going to sell my position. I am going to keep it for at least 1,000 days. I'm going to try and build my position to 300 shares. And if my calculations are correct, I should be able to make $1 million in 1,000 days. So that's my plan for now. So, you know, join me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me on my journey. Join me to see if I can build my position to 300 shares. Join me to see if I can put my money where my mouth is and keep this position open for at least 1,000 days. And join me to see if I can make $1 million. And finally, I appreciate any likes and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value. And I wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day. And I wish you all the best.